Rama Ram Rama Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Ram Rama Hare 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 Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Ram Rama, Hare Hare. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम
ओम
नमो
नमो
भगवते
भगवते
वासुदेवाय।
वासुदेवाय।
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नारायणं
नारायणं
नमस्कृत्य
नमस्कृत्य
चैव नरोत्तमं
नरं चैव नरोत्तमं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो जयमुदीरये।
ततो जयमुदीरये।
नष्टप्रायश भद्रेषु
नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नित्यं भागवत सेवया
भगवति उत्तमश्लोके
भगवति श्लोके
तिरभवति नैष्टिकीम्
भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी।
आसुरीं वृत्तिम् आश्रित्य
आसुरीं वृत्तिम् आश्रित्य
घोरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
घोरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
आत्मा निरनुग्रहः
घोरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
आसुरीं वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
आसुरीं
आसुरीं
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
आसुरीं वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
घोरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
घोरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
निशितैर्बाणै
यः निशितैर्बाणे
निशितैर्बाणै
यः निशितैर्बाणे
नेषु वनगोचरान्
वनेषु वनगोचरान्
असुरीं वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
आसुरीं वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
घोरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
घोरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
निशितैर्बाणै
यः निशितैर्बाणे
नयनन् निशितैर्बाणै
यः निशितैर्बाणे
नेषु वनगोचरान्
वनेषु वनगोचरान्
आसुरीं वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
आसुरीं
आसुरीं
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
पुरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
घोरात्मा
दुरात्मानिर्नुग्रहः
निरनुग्रहः
निशितैर्बाणै
यः
निशितैर्बाणे
निशितैर्बाणे
नन्निशितैर्बाणै
यः निशितैर्बाणे
शुभनगोचरान्
वनेषु
वनेषु
वनगोचरान्
असुरीं
वनगोचरान्
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
आसुरीं
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
आत्मा निरनुग्रहः
घोरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
नन्निशितैर्बाणै
यः
नैननिशितैर्बाणे
निशितैर्बाणे
शुभनगोचरान्
वनेषु
वनेषु
वनगोचरान्
सूर्यं
वनगोचरान्
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
आसुरीं
आसुरीं
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
पुरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
घोरात्मा
दुरात्मानिर्नुग्रहः
निरनुग्रहः
नन्निशितैर्बाणै
यः
नैननिशितैर्बाणे
नेषु
निशितैर्बाणे
वनगोचरान्
वनेषु
वनेषु
वनगोचरान्
असुरीं
वनगोचरान्
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
आसुरीं
आसुरीं
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
पुरात्मा निरनुग्रहः
घोरात्मा
दुरात्मानिर्नुग्रहः
निरनुग्रहः
नन्निशितैर्बाणै
यः निशितैर्बाणे
नैननिशितैर्बाणे
नेषु वनगोचरान्
वनेषु
वनेषु
वनगोचरान्
वनगोचरान्
असुरीं वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
आसुरीं
आसुरीं
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
वृत्तिमाश्रित्य
मा निरनुग्रहः
घोरात्मानिरनुग्रहः
निशितैर्बाणै
नैनन्निशितैर्बाणे
शुभनगोचरान्
वनेषु
वनेषु
वनगोचरान्।
वनगोचरान्।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
Asurim, demoniac. Vrittim, occupation. Ashritya, taken shelter of. Ghora, horrible. Atma, consciousness. Heart, niranugraha, without mercy. Nayanat, kill. Nishitai, by sharps. Bane, arrows. Vaneshu, in the forest. Vanagochara, forest animals. At that time, King Puranjana was very much influenced by the demonic propensities because his heart became very hard and merciless. And with sharp arrows, he killed many innocent animals in the forest, taking no consideration. At that time,
At the
King
time,
Puranjana
King
was very much
Puranjana
influenced
was very much
demonic
influenced
propensities.
by demonic
Because of
propensities.
this,
Because of
his
this,
heart became very hard and merciless.
his heart became very hard and merciless.
And with sharp arrows,
And
he
with
killed
sharp
many
arrows,
innocent animals in the forest,
he killed many innocent animals in the
taking no
forest,
consideration.
taking no consideration.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. When a man becomes too proud of his material position, he tries to enjoy his senses in an unrestricted way, being influenced by the modes of passion and ignorance. He is thus described as asuric or demoniac. When people are demoniac in spirit, they are not merciful toward the poor animals. Consequently, they maintain various animal slaughterhouses. This is technically called Suna or Himsa, which means the killing of living beings. In Kali Yuga, due to the increase of the modes of passion and ignorance, almost all men are asuric or demonic. Therefore, they are very much fond of eating flesh, and for this end, they maintain various kinds of animal slaughterhouses. In this age of Kali, the propensity for mercy is almost nil. Consequently, there is always fighting and wars between men and nations. Men do not understand that because they unrestrictedly kill so many animals, they also must be slaughtered like animals in big wars. This is very much evident in the Western countries. In the West, slaughterhouses are maintained without restriction, and therefore, every 5th or 10th year, there is a big war in which countless people are slaughtered even more cruelly than the animals. Sometimes, during war, soldiers keep their enemies in concentration camps and kill them in a very cruel ways. These are reactions brought about by unrestricted animal killing in the slaughterhouses and by hunters in the forest. Proud, demoniac person do not know the laws of nature or the laws of God. Consequently, they unrestrictedly kill poor animals, not caring of them at all. In the Krishna conscious movement, animal killing is completely prohibited. One is not accepted as a bona fide student in this movement unless he promises to follow the 4 regulative principles: no animal killing, no intoxication, no illicit sex, and no gambling. This Krishna conscious movement is the only means by which the sinful activities of men in this Kali Yuga can be contracted. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devin Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshai Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Asurim Vrittimashritya
Asurim Nrityamashritya
Gauratma Niranugraha
Ghoratma Niranugraha
Nayanan Nishitair Bhane
Nayahanan Nishitairbane
Vaneshu Vanagocharan.
Vaneshu Vanagocharan.
At that time, King Puranjana was very much influenced by the demoniac propensities. Because of this, his heart became very hard and merciless. And with sharp arrows, he killed many innocent animals in the forest, taking no consideration. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Dharma-
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Okay. Audio is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
Prabhuji.
Prabhuji.
So now meditating on today, heart becoming hard. At different levels, the nature of the heart is to be very soft. But in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has a chapter, divine and demonic natures. We should read that chapter very regularly because we have all the qualities of demonic nature. Everybody thinks he's good. Read the chapter. What are the qualities? Arrogance, pride, deceit, harsh words. These are the qualities of a demonic person. Correct? Just by putting tilak, somebody doesn't become divine. Divine means you need divine qualities. And in the first few shlokas, the divine qualities are listed. Big list is there. None of them we have. And then there is a list of demonic qualities. We have all of them. The whole chapter is on divine and demonic qualities. When Srila Prabhupada was preaching in the West, he saw the cows in America and he asked this question to his students that why is it I see cows crying here every day? See, the more your mind is peaceful, more you can observe the word, more you can even observe how people are being just plaything in the hand of Maya. Correct? As a person becomes very, very calm, when will become very, very calm? You see that actually the people are being dancing like Katputli. There is a picture in the Prabhupada books, Katputli of the three modes. Everybody is like Katputli of three modes just dancing. Their behavior more or less just like we say, everybody just set of habits, that's all. You can see by their habits they behave in a particular way. We can hardly have any control over the whole thing. We can just observe. That's how it is. Correct? That's how the word is. So also in Bhagavad Gita, there is a famous shloka by Queen Kunti, which we quote regularly. Janmaishwarya Shuta Bhi Janmaishwarya Shuta Shri Edamana Madha Puman Na Eva Artya Vidatum Vai Tvam Akinchana Gochara. Who knows this shloka? Raise your hand. Nobody knows this shloka. Okay. Oh, very good. Yes, chant this shloka.
जन्मेश्वरे श्रुतश्री वेदमानामदपम नैव रते वेदात्मये त्वाम किंचन गोचर.
Yes.
Thank you,
Yes,
Prabhu.
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम. जन्मैश्वर्य श्रित श्रीभिः एदमान मद पुमान् नैवा अर्हति अभिधातुं वै त्वाम् अकिंचन गोचरः. हरे कृष्ण
Okay,
प्रभु
now
जी
enough
दंडवत.
2 people to recite is enough. So this is a very famous shloka. What does it say? It says something very interesting, that in case our heart is hard, the way our heart is hard today, we are not sensitive how other person will feel. I'm speaking something, it hurts him, and I don't care. There is a reason for that. Various analysis can be there, like you said, 3 modes and all. She says, because see, the point is that only area I can have satisfaction is lotus feet of Krishna. So I will be very humble because actually I am not seeing Krishna. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, I am not a devotee of Krishna. How am I living without seeing Krishna? That shows I am not a devotee, even though I am crying all the time. Correct? The famous statement. So that means some reason I feel my satisfaction, even though I don't see Krishna. And that is these 4 things. Janma, I am very proud of my birth. So therefore, if you see somebody speaking and he hurts other person, doesn't care, maybe later he repents. That means these 4 things are giving him satisfaction. Otherwise, naturally, anybody in the condition of material world is very humble. Kya yaar? What is my condition? Krishna is not accepting me. He's not giving me darshan. Krishna is not. I'm in a horrible condition. Correct? Rejected. Rejected means rejected. Suppose you want to enter, say, some temple, and there the gates are closed. They're not allowing you. So what do you will think? Now, what is my condition? I am so unqualified, I can't even enter. Correct? So now, in the same way, that's a condition. I can't see Krishna. I can't see anything of Krishna consciousness. At the same time, I'm not feeling helpless. I'm not feeling humble. That means these 4 things have punctured my consciousness. What is one thing? I'm very proud of my birth. I am this birth. I am a Brahmana. I am this. I am that. I am that. I am in this belt. I am Madhva. So many kind of anarthas may be there. Correct? What is there to be pride of birth? Okay? Unnecessary. That may be giving you satisfaction. That should not give you satisfaction. Correct? Only thing which should give me satisfaction is if I have Krishna with me. And if I can see Krishna, I can enjoy serving him. But I don't have anything excess to that. Correct? Even if we are serving in Tamoguna. That's not very pleasing to Krishna. Because real service, Yayatma Suprasidati gives ecstasy in the heart. What ecstasy? Your purification stage is going on. So, one is Janma. Then thing is Aishwarya. I have a lot of money. Shuta. I have great learning. I know so much. Nowadays, Kalyuga means Jadavidya Maya Randhakara. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says more the degrees they have, more they go inside darkness. Because they feel very proud. They know nothing. But they more and more people have degrees, more and more they are seen to be away from God. Degrees of ignorance. They learn nothing, but they in the whole system they are given big recognition, big applause, and so they feel learned something, even though they don't learn anything, no knowledge. Janma Sharya Shruta, she means beauty. I am proud. Everybody thinks he's beautiful. ये तो दूसरा ना सब कोई जानवर जैसे ही दिखता है. अलग अलग जानवर को देखो तो कोई गिद्ध जैसा दिखता है, कोई बंदर जैसा दिखता है, कोई कुत्ते जैसा दिखता है ना, कोई सुअर जैसा, सब ऐसे ही है. रियलिटी ऐसा ही है. I always joke, if Vishnutas standing in front of us, we look like Yamudutas. Horrible. But everybody thinks he's beautiful. That's another joke in this world. So Janma, Aishwarya, Shruta, Shri, these things we intoxicate ourselves. Therefore, Queen Kunti says, Madha Puma. Madha means intoxication. And such a person, she says, Na eva arti abhitatum vai. Artam means deserve. He doesn't deserve. This artam comes in one more shloka. He says, Rishabhadeva says, don't work hard. Don't work hard for sense enjoyment. Anybody know that shloka? Don't work hard. Rishabhadeva, 5th canto, 5th chapter. Oh, Sureka Mataji got a chance. Yes, Mataji, what is that?
नायम देहो देह भाजा नृलोके कष्टान कामान अर्हति बिन भुजाये तपो दिव्यम पुत्र का येन सत्वत
Shuddhet.
शुद्धेदस्माद्
Brahma Saukam.
ब्रह्म सौख्यम त्रिलोक्यम
Anantam.
अनंतम
No,
sorry
no,
Prabhuji.
no speculation.
अनंतम.
Yes, Shiv Kumar, what is the shloka?
नयम देहो देह वाचो नृलोके कष्टान कामान अर्हति विद्भुजामे
Then Tapo Divyam.
तपोदिव्यं पुत्र का येन सत्वं शुद्धे तस्मात् ब्रह्म सत्यम अनंतम.
Chalo. Yes, Mataji, you know? Chitra.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी. नायम देहो देह भाजाम नृलोके कष्टान कामान हर्ते विभुजाई तपो दिव्यम पुत्र कायेन सत्वं शुद्धयेति ब्रह्म सौख्यम त्वनंतम. हरे कृष्ण. थैंक यू.
Okay, so the very famous Arate is there again. Na ayam deha, not in this body which we achieved in the human form of life. Kastan kaman. We should not work hard for sense enjoyment. Not in this body. Okay, we are supposed to work hard for what? Arate with bhujame. This even animal arate. This word is there. Arate deserves. He also deserves that. So what we should do then? Tapasya. Not to indulge in sense enjoyment, rather to do tapasya. Tapasya means no. That is tapasya. Correct? You're sitting here, and I can watch reels on the mobile. Tapasya. Don't do that. Tapo. Tapo means tapasya. Just like somebody speaks something, somebody does something. They have that saying in English, what is he smoking? कोई पागलपन कुछ बोलता है मतलब वो क्या क्या नशे में है ना. सो हेयर क्वीन कुंती से ये 4 नशे में आदमी रहता है ना. ये चारों में से एक नशा उसको है. सेटिस्फैक्शन कैसे मिल गया उसको? कृष्ण तो नहीं मिले ना. सेटिस्फैक्शन किस चीज का है? संतुष्ट है. बड़ा मजे में. कैसे है? फाइन है. Krishna has kicked you out of his place. He's not even allowing you to see him. He's not allowing you to participate in his pastime. He's not even allowing you even devotion service in pure devotion. Tamogun mein bhakti kar rahe hain. And you are satisfied with what you are satisfied. So he's saying that the Rishabhadeva is guiding us. Do not work hard for sense enjoyment because animal also deserve it. They are also entitled to it. Hai na? Tapo, do some tapasya. Divyam. What kind of tapasya? Guided tapasya, not whimsical. I'll do some tapasya. No, Divyam, guided tapasya. Just like Prabhupada says 16 rounds. It's like even Ekadashi today, if I'm very busy today, 16 rounds chanted and I do service, that's fine. Krishna is very satisfied. If you are free, chant, but not at the cost of service. Tapo Divyam, Putrikayena Sattvam. My dear sons, Putrikayena Sattvam Shuddhayet. Purify your consciousness, my dear child. Shuddhet yasmat brahma saukam tu anantam. And what will happen when the heart gets purified? Because first stage we go in spiritual life is heart purification, not magic of ecstasy of Krishna consciousness. First thing is, if that is not there, forget about Krishna consciousness. Like Prabhupada says, angry and passionate cannot be devotees of the Lord as much they can advertise. कोई गुस्सा करता है क्लियर, वो भक्त भी नहीं बना. ड्रामा करने की जरूरत नहीं, भक्त नहीं बना है. करेक्ट. रजोगुण तमोगुण में भक्ति नहीं होता है. भक्ति नहीं होता है अभी. गेट के बाहर खड़े. सो तपो दिव्यम पुत्रिका येन सत्वम शुद्धेत. फर्स्ट स्टेज इज शुद्धिकरण. शुद्धिकरण होना पहला चीज है ना? The whole life, Krishna is arranging our life in front of us for our self-purification, but provided we take it. Why Krishna is saying there are divine and demonic people? Because both kind of people are there. It is for them. It's every moment a choice for me to be divine or demonic. Not that I am divine because I put tilak. You're behaving in a demonic way. Correct? What do you say? Why the Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, Nake kanti gale mala, ei kali chela. Ye to kali ka chela hai. Therefore, we have to be alert for ourselves. We may be thinking we are devotee, but Prabhupada says, ye to kali chela hai. Don't think. No, just because I put, Prabhupada is happy with it. No, it's a Kali Chela. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada wrote another whole book he wrote. Vaishnava K. What kind of Vaishnava are you? Why? Because we cannot take things for granted here. So Rishabhadeva is saying, Nayam dev dev bhajam niloke kashtan kam tapo divyam. Therefore, for Shuddhikaran, if I see in my heart there are demonic propensities, because spiritual life is only for introspective people. Introvert, extrovert. For extrovert people, there is no spiritual life. Introspective. I spoke that thing today. Was that out of my anger, pride? Why I am proud? These four only things. Eliminate them. Philosophically, introvert. See, just go deep inside the heart. Am I thinking as an idiot I am beautiful? You know, there was one, I was seeing a joke. Somebody was telling the person, I got a job. So why did he get a job? No, because I'm very pretty. You're not at all pretty. The person can't handle that. It's because everybody thinks it's very beautiful. Idiot. You look like some animal, we are beautiful. Nayam dev dev bhajam niloki kashtan kaman tapo divyam. Do some tapasya to come out of the stupidity. Then what will happen? Putrikayena sattvam shuddhe. Then gradually the heart will soften up, will get purified. Shuddhe. Which is millions and millions, millions and millions of life hard work. It is not one day work for heart to get purified. एक दिन में दिल नहीं होता. सुबह रात को सोए सुबह उठे शुद्ध भक्त हो गए, ऐसा नहीं होता. It requires sincerity. And when Krishna is actually seeing, he is intensely, I had this opportunity previously when I was in Bangalore to select devotees for my service, book distribution. So whoever used to come and say, go and chant, go and chant. And then I used to go invisibly from another direction and just watch how is he chanting. By that I can know how much serious is he in spiritual, how much he is struggling. Because if somebody is actually struggling to chant, I've seen many people घूम रहे हैं ऐसे मजे में है, ये जपा नहीं है, बकवास है ये. जपा होता है एक एक शब्द को सुनने का कोशिश कर रहा है, हरे कृष्णा. He is putting an effort to chant, and you can, it's visible by body language. He is actually putting an effort to chant and attentively is trying to hear. It's visible by his body language, by his behavior. Correct? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Then I should say, yes, I'll call him. And many a time, those devotees who just started maybe chanting, they are good candidates. Very soon they'll pick up 16 rounds. They're naturally very sweet because they have taken the medicine properly. है ना? ऐसा नहीं है कि आप नहा रहे हैं, you take water and put here, water and put here. You're chanting, but you're thinking whole world. It is visible the way you're chanting. Anybody can make out while looking at him. How seriously is he chanting? Correct? And we are external people. We are observing from outside. Krishna can see internally, no? We can make a mistake in our judgment, but Krishna cannot make mistake in our judgment. So we have to introspect and see. Krishna is not giving any mercy to me. But even Shuddhikaran is not happening. Even I am not coming about Tamoguna itself. Forget about coming to Sattva and practicing Krishna consciousness. And suppose you give a burnt chapati to the Lord, is he satisfied? He is not satisfied. Correct? So similarly, when you are offering devotion of it is Tamoguna, Rajoguna, it's not very pleasing to the Lord. What do you expect? We do not. Other person, what do you expect? He's wearing tilak and all. He should be very calm. He should do anything. Other person should accept the same thing from him. When you look at a devotee, what do you think? Say, I tell you, he's a very advanced devotee. That means he's always thinking about Krishna. He's very calm. So don't you think people expect that when we wear the dress of a sadhu? अपने में नहीं सोते, दूसरे में बड़ी बड़ी एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा। अब आपको, आप भी तो ड्रेस लेके घूम रहे हो, तो पीपल आर ऑल्सो लुकिंग एट यू, है ना? व्हाट इज योर बिहेवियर? So people are expecting us to be Krishna conscious. That means we are thinking about Krishna. And somebody thinking about Krishna is out of three modes. Mamacha vyabhacharena bhakti yogena sevate. Who knows this shloka for you? Famous shloka of Bhagavad Gita. Yes, Shiv Kumar.
मां चयो विचारेण भक्तियोगेन सेवते सगुणान् समतीते तान् ब्रह्मभूय कल्पते.
Yes, Sureka Mataji. Hare Krishna.
मां च वो व्यभिचारेण भक्तियोगेन सेवते सगुणान् समतीत्येतान् ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते. हरे कृष्ण.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you, Mataji.
धन्यवाद.
Okay.
जी, धन्यवाद.
So, okay, I want to transcend the three modes in which I am situated. That means not for a moment I should be without any engagement. Avyavicharena, without any. See what happens? A pure devotee, we want to imitate. What is a pure devotee? What is Krishna? We want to imitate Krishna. Natasya karyam karanam cha vidyate. Krishna has nothing to do. हम भी सोचते हैं कृष्णा को इमिटेट करना है, मतलब मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना, मैं लेट जाएगा। नहीं, लेट नहीं सकता तू, वो कृष्णा का काम है, क्यों इमिटेट कर रहा है ना? मोमेंट यू आर लिटिल फ्री, माया विल ग्रैब यू। हमारा काम क्या है? अव्यभिचारे ना, विदाउट एनी इंटरप्शन, है ना? भक्ति योगे न सेवते। Constantly somebody is busily engaged in service to Krishna. He has a hope of being free from the three modes. Constantly. Avyavicharena. Anyway, life is limited. Salpapi dharma se trayate mahato bhayat. Little service to the Lord can take us out of the material world and take us to the spiritual world. Hai little service. So let me do little service to the Lord. Avyavicharena. Whatever I do is for my good. So can I do that? Then my life becomes very perfect. Otherwise, you see that where we're coming back to the shloka now, we see this condition of the people. So proud. And because of pride, they are merciless. You know, the animals are, Prabhupada is talking about that. Animals are being slaughtered. Today, they had a Supreme Court made a decision a few days ago for Delhi. They made a decision that there are so many animals and there is old people, children, particularly children and old people are very vulnerable to this. They are getting attacked by these stray dogs. So the Supreme Court made a two-bench decision. They made a decision. All the stray dogs, which are something like 5 to 10 lakh in number, should be taken out and put in some shelters. It's a huge exercise. This costs crores, thousands of crores of rupees, but it should be done so that people can live. And this is true for all around India. But here it is, so many people came forward, no, we love dogs, we love dogs, we love dogs. Wait a minute, sir. Presently, today, India, 90% of India is now meat eaters. Correct? That's a reality. Slowly, almost all India is becoming meat eaters. Actually, meat is more expensive than having vegetarian food. Correct? किसी भी होटल में देखो, वेजिटेरियन थाली अगर 100 रुपए की है, नॉन वेज थाली 300 की होती है, एक्स्ट्रा होता है उसका पैसा, कॉस्ट इज मोर. So as India is doing economic development, because there is no proper direction, economic development is going in this direction. Eating meat also. गरीब आदमी को मीट खाने का पैसा नहीं होता, ठीक है. Second thing, दारू, they were drinking local liquor, now they're drinking branded liquor. So इसी डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं. So, but what they are not thinking about, how much crores of animals are slaughtered for food. You are talking about so-called animal lovers. If you see, almost 100% are meat eaters. वो ठीक है और ये ठीक नहीं है. मतलब एक combination नहीं समझ आ रहा मेरे को. There are some lot of organizations which are against experimentation on animals. You know, we experiment various medicines on animals. अच्छा, वो ठीक है, वो गलत है, लेकिन crores of animals that you are eating, that is okay. See how many animals are experimented in the world today. Maybe in few lakhs. But how many animals are eaten today? In billions. Million many billions, maybe trillion. Practically all the hens are slaughtered, all the goats are slaughtered, correct? Cow, around the world cows are slaughtered. सबको तो खा रहे हो और तुम इधर क्या मतलब what you are trying to do as a combination you are seeing some kind of a wrong combination. True? उधर उधर समझ नहीं आ रहा आपको. हाँ एक कुत्ते को नहीं मारने का इधर तो तुम तमाशा मचा रहे हो और घर में जाके मीट खा रहे हो. क्या लॉजिक है मेरे समझ नहीं आता है लोग का, है ना? Illogical people. Why hard has become hard? Why hard has become hard? Because of this. Because a humble person, just like Prabhupada says in the purport, we do not see mercy in this world today. Mercy is a quality not visible. We see somebody is less than us, somebody has more weakness than us. We tell him on the face of his weakness and kick him. है ना? उस पर थूकते हैं और लात मारते हैं उस पर. मेरे पे वो वीकनेस है, उसके पास एक वीकनेस है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. There is something called mercy. There was a temple, Srila Prabhupada, nice story. In the temple there was a devotee, some visitor. And temple में लेटा रहता था. So then when the president wrote to Srila Prabhupada, can I drive him out of the temple? He comes and just lies down. मतलब सो जाता है. Very interesting. This is the beginning of the movement. Prabhupada was less strict. As the movement grew, we have to become more strict. So Prabhupada said, can't you tolerate president? And actually, it's a matter of time. When Prabhupada went next time there, he was initiated and he was a very serious devotee. So mercy is a quality which is actually not easy. As people advance, their mercy level increases. Like Arjuna in the Bhagavad Gita, we take examples of being very, very merciful. Arjuna in the Bhagavad Gita, when he sees the soldiers on the other side, he says, tears come in his eyes. He's thinking about the pain that will be there at their home when they are killed now by him, correct? Because he knows he's a Maharati, कुछ वही बचने नहीं वाला, सब मरने वाले हैं अभी, करेक्ट? अर्जुन को उसी ने मारे ज्यादा थे, सबसे ज्यादा शायद उसी ने मारे होंगे लोग. And he is thinking that so much pain they will get when he is killing them, and then how many at home there will be so many people crying. He is thinking of the pain of others. There is a quality that is said Krishna has it in fullness, cannot tolerate to see the suffering of others. है ना? इस दुनिया में बस what is the materialistic word में mercy quality doesn't exist. Mercy की जगह selfish. मैं सोच रहा है ना? 10 लड्डू रखे, 10 के 10 मैं खा जाऊंगा. That is, अरे बाबा दूसरा भी तो खा सकता है. नहीं, मैं नहीं वो सोचने वाला, मेरे को मिलना चाहिए. कोई मर्सी नहीं. Selfish. It was somebody was saying the quality of the people in a country can be seen by their behavior on the road. है ना? कोई किसी को रास्ता नहीं देता है ना? No mercy. No mercy. No, nobody is thinking about other person. No mercy. So quality of mercy enhances as we advance in Krishna consciousness. Just like quality of tolerance, titikshava, karunika, these are the qualities of a sadhu, of a gentleman. These qualities enhance as we advance in Krishna consciousness. Then they enhance. It is practiced. Not suddenly I become supremely merciful. No. Gradually, small. Krishna is training us. Krishna will create a situation wherein you get an opportunity. Let me be merciful. Let me be merciful. So Prabhupada, there is a statement by Buddha that if somebody takes 1 gram of meat on his tongue, he has no mercy. So there is no mercy actually. Okay? So we can be merciful. Therefore, the statement of the Shastra is, what is the statement? 4. In 4 kind of situations. If you see your spiritual master, you see Krishna, there should only one thing, love. That also takes time to develop as we advance. What is the shloka for now for Madhyamadhikari qualities? Yes, anybody knows the shloka? Prema, Maitri, Kripa. Nobody knows.
ईश्वर तद अदिनेषु बलिशेषु द्विषस्तु सः प्रेम कृपा प्रेम मैत्री कृपा उपेक्षा यत्करोति स मध्यमः. हरे कृष्ण.
Yes. Yes, Purnima Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। ईश्वर तदधीनेषु बालिशेषु द्विषस्सु च प्रेम मैत्री कृपोपेक्षा य करोति स मध्यम। हरे कृष्ण।
These are the four qualities. Okay? So, Ishvara Tadid. So we are only four kind of behaviors allowed for a devotee. Correct? And when you show all these four kind of qualities, gradually, see what happened. Kanishta Adhikari cannot discriminate and he should not discriminate. Cannot discriminate. Well, he's so neophyte, he'll say, hey, this is Paramahamsa, this is the Paramahamsa. Hey, this is the neophyte. He's making a total mistake. Hai? So he should not analyze. Kanishta. So the next, when I told you that example, when I joined the temple, one boy came to me and said, hey, you're very nice, you're wonderful, yeah. Wonderful. He patted my back. So I had joined with my one more classmate. So I told him, yeah, he's a very advanced devotee. He started laughing. He was actually very mature. He was done much more education than me, and also he was by nature very calm. He said, no, this is not a just because he actually gave you happiness, you are thinking he's a very advanced devotee. But this is not the way to analyze. And very soon he left the temple that boy. So he said, Dekha main bola tha na, this is not a crime. So we cannot discriminate in the we are so neophyte, we don't know what is what. We cannot analyze. So Kanishta should not discriminate. Kanishta should not, he knows Guru, he knows Krishna, and full stop. That is Kanishta Adhikari. I love Prabhupada, I love Krishna, but why you're behaving in such a horrible way with other Vaishnavas? Because you are Kanishta. At Madhyamadhikari level, now he improves, advances to four behaviors. Then we know he's a Madhyama. What are the four behaviors? It's a gradation. It's not like switch, Kanishta, Madhyama, Uttama. Means person is in between, shades of gray are there. So then, next one is Madhyama. Madhyama means he loves the Lord, his Guru included. He make friendship with other devotees. Ishvara Tadidineshu. He make friendship with them. Naturally, he feels very happy. Oh, he's doing service to the Lord. He's my friend. That thing. Prema Mati Kripa. If you see somebody who is neophyte, he needs guidance, he's very merciful to him. And upeksha, you see, this, if you see people are envious, he just ignores. Because some people are crazy. So we have to delete them out of your system to be peaceful and happy. Otherwise, पूरे टाइम ही कोई रहेगा. This is a practice in life. कुछ लोग होंगे जो आपको लाइक नहीं करते. लाइक करना तो ठीक गलत नहीं है, आप भी कुछ ऐसे कोई महान नहीं है, बट आपसे द्वेष करते हैं. मतलब आपको बस always trying to hurt you. Ignore them out of your existence. आराम से peaceful रहो, खुश रहो. 4. Now comes advanced consciousness, in which actually he sees everybody is a wonderful devotee. I'm not devotee. Wo is pure. We think we are in that platform. You're not in that platform. At least practice Madhyama level. Anger is not there at anybody. What do you do? 4 kind of behavior: love, friendship, mercy, neglect. 4 kind of behavior. There is no anger. No place for anger. You cannot be angry at anybody. What you can do, just like karmis are there, we neglect their existence. तो तेरी पूरे दिन ऐसे कर्मी ऐसा करता है, काम को क्या करना, अपना काम करो, है ना? So we have 4 kind of behaviors. What is that? Love for whom? For the Lord, for the spiritual masters. Then friendship for devotees. Kanishta में नहीं आती friendship for devotees. Madhyama level, he naturally feel affectionate to the devotees. Oh, so nice Aarti is doing that. Friendship. Oh, wonderful devotee. He feel grateful because the objective is same. I want to serve Krishna. Somebody is serving him. Wow, he's so wonderful. Take care. So then the next quality. Then comes, he sees the innocent person. He's merciful. He guides him. And the 4th condition, not easy to practice like that. And delete from your existence. That person exists. अपना काम करते रहो क्या? कुछ लोग हैं पै आपके पीछे पड़ रहेंगे. गुस्सा करने की जरूरत नहीं, नेग्लेक्ट कर दो. सब रजोगुण तमोगुण में. He is a pure, everybody is a pure devotee of the Lord, Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakta. But unfortunately, because of Maya, he isn't. Just like a doctor, he sees the patient which is broken in a difficult. What does he feel? He feels mercy or he becomes angry? He feels mercy. So in the same way, a devotee, when he advances, and when Shuddhikaran happens, so the heart is purified, in that situation, he feels only four emotions. There is no fifth emotion. You have to come out of anger, envy, jealousy, hatred, harshness. These are all part of Kanishtatikari, not Madhyamatikari. Correct? You want to advance his spiritual life. So now here you see that the animals, poor animals, are being slaughtered. Therefore, Prabhupada is saying in the purport, in our Krishna conscious movement is saying, see, there are very nice statement in the beginning and at the end. Let us just meditate on it. Yes. So Prabhupada is saying when he becomes proud of his material position, correct? Then what he does try to do? He tries to enjoy his senses in an unrestricted way. Koi rules, regulation I do not want to follow. Somebody is actually conscious that Krishna is not giving me entry at his lotus feet, will become more and more austere. So that Krishna is pleased by his spiritual life. Correct? हमको दिख रहे हैं कृष्ण नहीं दिख रहे है ना नहीं दिख रहे तो he becomes very very austere. But somebody who's gone crazy, what he becomes? He wants to enjoy senses unrestricted. He doesn't want to put lagam on himself. We think pure devotee की लगाम नहीं होती है. हम तो के वही हमको उसको इमिटेट करते हैं. प्योर डिवोटी लेट है, जो करना है करेंगे, जो मन में आए करेंगे, जो मन में आए बोलेंगे. You please control yourself. You are a sadhaka. Sadhana, being influenced by the modes of passion and ignorance. That is because I am influenced by modes of passion and ignorance, that my behavior has become unrestricted. He thus describe asuric or demonic. So there are symptoms of Rajoguna and Tamoguna. Divine person means is Sataguna. Demonic person means is Rajoguna and Tamoguna. And we call ourselves gentlemen. I am very nice person. You are influenced by Rajoguna Tamoguna. Rajoguna Tamoguna means demon. Correct? It's not the demon के थोड़े horns होते हैं. Demon मतलब Rajoguna. And what is Rajoguna? Maintaining sinful desires of sense enjoyment. That is called Rajoguna. You are maintaining, introspect in your heart. Am I maintaining some desire of sense enjoyment? Yes, you are in Rajoguna. And unrestricted, Tamoguna. He just described asuric or demonic. You see that. And if I am not filtering my desires, forget filtering desires, we don't even filter our activities. मैं कुछ कर रहा है, मैं कुछ बोल रहा है. We have to this. How do we act? We act through the body or through the words. Correct? We are not controlling that. But that control is one level. That's why four regulated principles follow करते हैं. That is gross. Actually, internally follow करना, that is more advanced. Mentally also नहीं. Then that is pure life. When people are demonic, they are not merciful towards poor animals. We are not merciful. See, Kshatriya means he is merciful to four people: small children, women, old people, saints. He sees they are protected. Correct? Sadhu ka ek kaam hota. But what mercy? People are not merciful. They maintain various animal slaughterhouses, technique called shuna. Dyutam panam striyam shuna. Correct? The word shuna is there, na? Dyutam panam striyam shuna. Kabhi suna hoga. These words are there. Kaliga, because mode of passion and ignorance is increasing. See, we are seeing in a detached way. So whole society is becoming demonic. Okay? And therefore they are maintaining various kind of animal slaughterhouses. They are merciless. Okay? Prabhupada is saying in this age, the propensity of mercy is almost nil. Koi merciful nahi dikhta humko. Consequently, there is wars. And the result is there. See, we cannot be good here and bad there. If you are bad, you are bad everywhere. So people who are merciless toward animals, it has been seen around the world, they become merciless to also other living entities. Well, आदमी को भी मार देते हैं. Meat eaters are generally very violent even to other. है ना? जो मांस खाते हैं लोग, वो दूसरे लोग को भी मारते हैं. देखा गया है ना? मांस खाने वाला आदमी बड़ा क्रूर होता है. In fact, I've seen. Anyway. Therefore, Prabhupada is saying wars are happening. अभी wars होती रही थी दुनिया भर में. समझ नहीं आता क्या हुआ. वो तो शांत देश था और इतना सारे लोग कट रहे हैं, सब लोग मर रहे हैं. Prabhupada says they keep their enemy soldiers in a cage and they kill them very mercilessly. They kill. That reaction is coming actually. Same way we are doing animal killing. Prabhupada says, so the poor animal not getting the Krishna consciousness. His Prabhupada is noticing they are even slaughtered even more cruelly than the animals. You know the famous case of Hitler. The people were killed even more cruelly than the animals. है ना? जानवर को भी ऐसा नहीं मारा था, वैसा भयंकर रिएक्शन आता है. ठीक है. Proud, demonic person do not know the laws of nature or the laws of God. We think I can speak anything. Somebody is watching you, yaar. Anna, what do you say? Suppose you're working in a company, you speak something to, don't you think what the boss will think if he comes to know? No, I don't care. Be ready. He will act. Anna, he will act. आ जाएगा yellow slip आ जाएगा. One is not accepted as a bona fide student in the moment unless he promises to follow the four regulative principles. No animal killing, no intoxication, no illicit, no gambling. These four things actually inherently agitate the consciousness. If somebody is showing difficult behavior, we become alarmed. Because see, गुस्सा तो सभी को आता है हल्का. But जानवर का जैसा गुस्सा आ रहा है मतलब one of the four principles is broken. We don't say because we live on trust. कल निकल आता है. At least in my life, I have seen the people become जानवर के जैसे गुस्से. It's a matter of time it comes out. He's breaking one of the four regulative principles. Correct? One of the four. See what happens in spiritual life. Differences are there, but disrespect is not allowed. We can have difference, है ना? अब जपा किट मैं बोलूंगा ऐसे बेचेंगे, आप बोलेंगे वैसे बेचेंगे. वो डिफरेंस चलता है. बस उसकी वजह से निरादर नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना? आप बोलेंगे हम उड़पी जाएंगे कार में, कोई बोलेगा बस में, ठीक है, दो अलग व्यूज हैं. बट उसकी वजह से आप निरादर कर रहे हैं दूसरे को, आप रेगुलेटेड प्रिंसिपल नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हो. निरादर क्यों कर रहे हो? आपको ये कैसा कॉन्शियसनेस आ गया? आप निरादर. डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन इफ इट इज लीडिंग टू डिसरेस्पेक्ट, then we cannot live together. Then we have to separate. Correct? Just like in any house or in a temple, we may have difference of opinion. Oh, it's not every individual has his own opinion. But living to disrespect, then we have to part ways. Hare Krishna. Thank you. We cannot live together. Disrespect, how do you live together? Constant offenses are happening. Then Hare Krishna. Then there is no reason. So many temples are there, 1,000 temples are. Stay wherever you love to stay. Correct? The disrespect and difference of opinion are two different. But we identify so much with our opinion, we become sometimes proud, and then so many anarthas happen. So Prabhupada, this Krishna conscious movement is only means by which sinful act in men in the Kali Yuga can be counteracted. Now suppose I see, okay, I have so many disqualifications, okay, doesn't matter. Take medicine more intensely. Just like today is a wonderful day of Ekadashi. So in this day, what you should do? Intensely now, as a good opportunity, you have to chant your rounds, and there is service also there. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur formula is 8 plus 8 plus 8. ठीक है ना? कोई हैमर से फोर्स नहीं करता है, अपने लिए ही अच्छा है. 8 hours साधना. ठीक है? तो कितना हमारा सुबह कितना बजा? 4:30 बजे से 9 बजे, 4.5 घंटा हो गया. शाम को कितना हुआ? 7:45 से 8:30. कितना हुआ? 1 hour 45 minutes. 2 घंटा ले लो. कितना हो गया? हाँ, 6:30. अभी 1.5 घंटा किताब पढ़ लो. कितना अच्छा है. बट हम फॉलो नहीं करते. अपने लिए है भाई, ऐसे दूसरे के लिए नहीं, अपने लिए ही है. Actually 10 to 6 ideal devotee should work hard. 10 to 6, hard work. And then you take those who are chanting Gayatri, do Gayatri, take bath and attend evening program. This is ideal. What happens? दोपहर में सो गए, हे गए, तो रात को बहुत काम बचा रहता है, यार ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है. That's what is happening in practically all ISKCON temples. Evening program is gone. Nobody attends. But the reality is not the way. Is not the way. ठीक है? Prabhupada only gave the sandwich, है ना? सैंडविच में एक ही साइड रहता है, दूसरा सैंडविच में दूसरा साइड है ही नहीं. Nobody cares. So it's left for our own self because you want to improve or you don't want to improve. ठीक है. So as 8 hours, then 8 hours is service. There's 10 to 6, I said 8 hours. खाना खाए, 10 बजे बैठे, 6 बजे उठे, करते रहे, कुछ ना कुछ करते रहे. That's the best time, है ना? And then you can sleep early. Evening साधना हुआ, 7, 7:30, 8 बजे जाके सो गए, 8, 9 बजे तक collapse. Then सुबह उठोगे, you are very fresh. So 8 hours for body, सोना, नहाना, 8 hours for service, and 8 hours for हमारा. So those of you who are working, 8 hours is job, 8 hours is sadhana, then 8 hours is your rest for the body. So then you see, we can sustain this. If it 8 plus 8 plus 8 chalta hai, you can sustain this whole life. And you'll be happy day by day more. Body is also fresh, acha rest mil raha hai. Mind is also fresh, with good engagement, correct? Whatever you are working, that's good engagement. Some people have to work. Many of you are grihasthas, you need to work. Okay? And some people are 8 plus 8 plus 8, happy spiritual life. We can day after day continue. And then your heart is getting purified. I'm doing my duties responsibly. Nothing is clashing. It's very harmonious life. Hare Krishna everybody.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम. थैंक यू.
हरे कृष्णा. चलो दर्शन दे दो. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Krishna Krishna Krishna
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Rama Hare Hare
Krishna, Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare
Rama
Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare Krishna Krishna Krishna
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna
Hare
Hare Hare,
Rama
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama,
Rama
Hare
Hare Hare
Rama, Hare
Krishna
Hare,
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Krishna,
Hare Rama
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Hare
Rama,
Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Rama, Hare
Rama
Rama,
Hare
Rama
Rama
Rama,
Rama
Hare
Rama Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ramo Hare Ramo 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ramo Hare Ramo 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 Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ramo Hare Ramo 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Ramo Hare Ramo 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare